and search.
With construction season in full swing across the state, the Highway Patrol is urging everyone to use common sense when heading out for family vacation. This year, the state's spending $370 million to upgrade the highway system. That includes I-94 as well as Highways 2, 83, and 85. And all that construction means workers will be on the side of the road near traffic at all hours of the day. The Highway Patrol is urging everyone to slow down and make smart decisions while traveling through work zones. They say they've seen drivers do some pretty dangerous things while in construction zones.
We talk a lot about phones, but we see people out there eating a burger. We see people just looking around, seeing what the landscape looks like. There's a lot of distractions beyond the phone. Phone is what we normally talk about. Having it up to your ear, even Bluetooth with your phone can also be a distraction as well too.
Violators of posted speed limits or other infractions in a work zone can face hundreds of dollars.